molecular orbital theory. Now first the definition for molecular orbital. When two atomic orbitals combine with each other, then the formation of molecules are called as molecular orbitals. Using the molecular orbital theory, bond order, stabilization energy, MO electron configuration, as well as magnetic properties are determined. Now magnetic properties are two types. One is diamagnetic and another is paramagnetic. In molecule in which paired electrons are present, they are called as diamagnetic molecule, while unpaired electron present in molecule, such type of molecules are called as paramagnetic. In practically, when the molecule attracts towards the magnet, they are called as paramagnetic in nature, while the molecule do not attract towards the magnet, they are called as diamagnetic properties. Now, LCAO principle. First, see introduction for molecular orbital theory. Combination of SS orbitals. When two SS orbitals combine with each other, then their density of nucleus increases. They are called as bonding molecular orbitals. Such type of atomic orbital present on the axis. While the atomic orbital, their sign is different. They do not combine with each other. They are separated from each other. Their density is not increases. Node is formed in between two atomic orbitals. They are called as antibonding molecular orbitals. For antibonding molecular orbital, star sign is used. Here 1s orbital overlap or combine with each other, then it gives sigma 1s bonding molecular orbitals, and sign of atomic orbital is different. Such type of atomic orbital react or combine with each other. They are separate from each other and they are called as sigma star 1s atomic bonding molecular orbitals. Now next see combination of pp orbitals. In p orbital there is three orbitals. One is px, py and pz. First see combination of px atomic orbitals. Sign of atomic orbital is same. Px atomic orbitals are present on the axis. They are combined with each other. Their density of nucleus increases. Such type of molecular orbitals are called as bonding molecular orbital. While sign of atomic orbital is different, then these two atomic orbitals do not combine with each other. They are separated from each other. They are called as antibonding molecular orbitals. Now, next see combination of py or pz atomic orbitals. Now, py and pz atomic orbitals are perpendicular to the axis. Such type of atomic orbitals do not present on the axis. These atomic orbitals combine with each other. Then sign is same. Then formation of bonding molecular orbitals are called as pi bonding. Here pi py or pi pz atomic orbitals are formed, while their sign is different. These two atomic orbitals combine or overlap with each other. They do not combine with each other, do not mix with each other, their density increases. Such type of molecular orbitals are called as antibonding molecular orbitals. For antibonding molecular orbitals, pi star py or pi star pz atomic orbitals are formed. For example, MO energy level diagram for H2 molecule, hydrogen molecule. Now hydrogen molecule is formed when two single hydrogen react with each other, then it gives hydrogen molecule. In hydrogen molecule in which atomic orbital of hydrogen and another atomic orbital of hydrogen combine with each other, then sigma bonding and sigma star antibonding molecular orbitals are formed. Hence, MO energy level diagram for H2 molecule is, now this is one hydrogen, electron configuration of hydrogen is 1s orbital contains 1, this is atomic orbital of hydrogen, and another hydrogen contains 1s orbital contains single electron. These are again atomic orbitals of hydrogen. These two atomic orbital, their sign is same. Such type of atomic orbital overlap with each other, then their density of nucleus increases. They are combined with each other, and such type of molecular orbitals are called as bonding molecular orbital, and bonding molecular orbitals are shown at the lower level. And when the sign of atomic orbital is different, then atomic orbital do not mix with each other. Node is formed in between two atomic orbitals, and such type of molecular orbitals are called as antibonding molecular orbital. Antibonding molecular orbital are shown at the higher side, and these are molecular orbital sigma 1s, and these are sigma star 1s. Star means antibonding molecular orbitals. Now these single electron react with each other. It gives molecular orbitals of hydrogen molecule. These electrons enter according to Hund's rule and Abbott's principle. That is, atomic orbital contains single electron. Here hydrogen contains single electron. It gives two electron, and these two electron fill first lower level 1 and 2. These are called as MO energy level diagram of H2 molecule. And H2 molecule, first property, bond order. Now bond order, what is meant by bond order? Number of covalent bond present in molecule, they are called as bond order. Bond order is calculated by using the formula half number of electron present in bonding molecular orbitals minus number of electron present in antibonding molecular orbitals. Here bonding molecular orbital contains 2 electrons and antibonding molecular orbital contains 0 electrons. Hence it gives 2 minus 0, and answer is 1. Hence H2 molecule contains one covalent bond. Then another property is stabilization energy. Stabilization energy is calculated with the help of formula number of electron present in bonding molecular orbitals into minus beta plus number of electron present in antibonding molecular orbitals into plus beta. Hence here number of electron present in bonding molecular orbital 2 into minus beta plus number of electron present in antibonding molecular orbital 0 into plus beta, it gives minus 2 beta. They are called as stabilization energy. Then third one property is MO electron configuration. Now MO electron configuration property for H2 molecule is MO electron configuration. Sigma 1s orbital contains 2 electron, and sigma star means antibonding molecular orbital contains 0 electron. They are called as MO electron configuration. Now last one property is magnetic properties. Now molecular orbitals, here molecular orbital contains paired electrons. They are called as diamagnetic property, while molecular orbital contains unpaired electrons. They are paramagnetic property. Here hydrogen molecular orbital contains 2 paired electrons. Hence H2 molecule is diamagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic in nature. This is MO energy level diagram for H2 molecule. Next example, He2 molecule. Now we have studied about H2 molecule. H2 molecule is homonuclear diatomic molecule. Homonuclear diatomic molecule means when two same element combine with each other, then the formation of molecules are called as homonuclear diatomic molecule. Now He2 molecule. Next example, He2 molecule. In each He, 1s orbital contains 2 electrons. 1s orbital contains 2 electrons. When such two type of atomic orbitals react with each other, then their sign is same. Then combination of ss orbital, they are called as bonding molecular orbitals. While ss orbital, their sign is different. They are separate from each other. Node is formed in between two atomic orbitals. They are called as antibonding molecular orbitals. Bonding molecular orbitals are shown at the lower side, while anti-bonding molecular orbitals are shown at the higher side. Now, these electrons enter in molecular orbital using the Hertz-Rule-Liouville principle. Now, here two electron, four electrons enter in these molecular orbital 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is MO energy level diagram for He2 molecule. Now, first calculate bond order. Bond order is equal to half number of electron present in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron present in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Here, bonding molecular orbital contains 2 electron minus number of electron present in anti-bonding molecular orbitals, again 2 electrons. Hence, answer is 0, means He2 molecule contains 0 bonds. That is, He2 molecules do not exist because covalent bond is absent. Then stabilization energy. Stabilization energy is equal to number of electron present in bonding molecular orbital into minus beta plus number of electron present in anti-bonding molecular orbital into plus beta. Their answer is again 0, means stabilization energy also do not occur in He2 molecule, means He2 molecules do not exist because bond order 0, again stabilization energy is 0. Then third one, MO electron configuration. Now MO electron configuration for He2 molecule is sigma 1s orbital contains 2 electrons and sigma star 1s orbital contains 2 electrons. They are called as MO electron configuration. And last property, He2 molecule is paramagnetic or diamagnetic. In molecular orbital contains paired electrons, they are called as diamagnetic in nature, while molecular orbital contains unpaired electrons, they are called as paramagnetic properties. Here each and every molecular orbital contains paired electrons, hence He2 molecule is diamagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic. This is MO energy level diagram for He2 molecule.